What if I told you that somewhere in the world there are two people who share the same face, the same DNA, and sometimes even the same destiny, yet they may never have met? Scientific facts about twins reveal a reality far stranger than fiction. From rare medical phenomena that challenge biology itself to twins separated at birth who unknowingly live parallel lives, the world of twin studies uncovers stories so extraordinary they seem scripted by fate. Genetics plays a powerful role, but beyond DNA lie incredible coincidences that continue to puzzle scientists and psychologists alike. Are these similarities simply the result of shared biology, or is there something deeper connecting twins across time and distance? Today we explore rare cases, astonishing research, and the mysteries that make twins one of nature's most fascinating phenomena. Scientific facts about twins have captivated researchers for decades, offering unique insights into genetics, personality, and human development. Twins provide a living laboratory for understanding how much of who we are comes from nature and how much is shaped by nurture. In this video, we will dive into rare cases of twin births, the powerful influence of genetics, extraordinary examples of twins separated at birth, and incredible coincidences that defy logical explanation. Some stories will sound almost impossible, yet they are grounded in documented research and verified events. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss another deep dive into fascinating scientific mysteries. Let's uncover the astonishing truth about twins. Scientific facts about twins begin with the remarkable biological process that creates them, a process both simple and extraordinary at the same time. Identical twins, known scientifically as monozygotic twins, originate from a single fertilized egg that splits into two embryos, resulting in two individuals with nearly identical genetic codes. Fraternal twins, or dizygotic twins, develop from two separate eggs fertilized by two separate sperm cells, making them genetically similar to regular siblings but born at the same time. The rarity of identical twinning, which occurs in roughly 3 to 4 births per thousand worldwide, has intrigued scientists for centuries. Despite extensive research, the precise reason why a fertilized egg sometimes splits remains largely unknown. What makes this phenomenon even more fascinating is that identical twinning occurs randomly across populations, unaffected by family history, ethnicity, or environmental factors. It is as if nature occasionally decides to duplicate a blueprint, producing two lives from one beginning. Rare cases push the boundaries of what we understand about twin development in genetics. Conjoined twins, for instance, occur when the embryo only partially separates, leading to physically connected siblings who may share organs or limbs. This condition, though extremely rare, demonstrates the delicate timing required during embryonic division. Another extraordinary phenomenon is mirror-image twins, where identical twins develop reversed asymmetrical features, such as opposite dominant hands or mirrored birthmarks. Even more unusual are semi-identical twins, an exceptionally rare condition in which twins share all of their mother's DNA, but only a portion of their father's genetic material due to an uncommon fertilization event. Scientists documented one of the first confirmed cases of semi-identical twins in the early 21st century, challenging established understanding of human reproduction. Such rare biological events reveal that human development is not always as predictable as textbooks suggest, and twins often represent the most dramatic examples of nature experimenting with possibility. Scientific facts about twins have played a central role in the field of behavioral genetics, particularly in studies designed to separate the influences of nature and nurture. For decades, researchers have compared identical twins raised together with those raised apart to examine how genetics shape intelligence, personality, and health. Identical twins share nearly 100% of their DNA, making them ideal subjects for determining genetic influence. Studies have consistently shown that many traits, including cognitive ability, temperament, and even susceptibility to certain mental health conditions, have significant hereditary components. However, environmental factors still play a powerful role in shaping behavior and worldview. Twins raised in different households often display surprising similarities in preferences, habits, and even life choices, yet differences in upbringing can alter their perspectives and opportunities. These findings suggest that genetics provide a framework, but environment fills in the details, creating individuals who are both strikingly similar and uniquely distinct. One of the most astonishing scientific facts about twins involves cases of twins separated at birth, who later reunite and discover extraordinary similarities. In some documented cases, identical twins raised in completely different families have shared the same favorite foods, chosen similar careers, and even named their pets or children identical names without prior communication. Researchers studying these reunions have observed parallels in speech patterns, gestures, and personality traits that seem almost scripted. While skeptics argue that coincidence and selective memory may exaggerate similarities, the consistency of these patterns across multiple cases has fueled ongoing debate. The psychological impact of such reunions can be profound, as twins often report an immediate sense of recognition and emotional closeness. Stories raise compelling questions about identity and destiny, suggesting that genetic influence may extend beyond physical traits into subtle behavioral tendencies that shape life decisions in ways we are only beginning to understand scientifically. Genetics remains at the heart of scientific facts about twins, yet modern research has uncovered complexities beyond simple DNA matching. Epigenetics, the study of how environmental factors influence gene expression, has revealed that identical twins can develop differences over time despite sharing the same genetic code. Lifestyle choices, diet, stress levels, and exposure to toxins can alter how genes are activated or suppressed, leading to variations in health outcomes and physical appearance. As twins age, these epigenetic changes can accumulate, making them more distinguishable from one another. Researchers have observed that identical twins who live apart for many years may show greater biological differences than those who share similar environments. This discovery emphasizes that DNA is not destiny but rather a dynamic blueprint, shaped continuously by life experiences. Scientific facts about twins therefore illustrate the intricate interplay between inherited information and lived reality, demonstrating that even perfect genetic copies can evolve into uniquely individual human beings. Another remarkable area of twin research involves medical science, where twins have provided invaluable insights into disease prevention and treatment, because identical twins share nearly identical genetic material. Studying differences in health outcomes between them can highlight environmental triggers for illness. Twin studies have contributed significantly to understanding conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, schizophrenia, and autoimmune disorders. When one identical twin develops a disease and the other does not, researchers gain clues about non-genetic risk factors. Conversely, when both twins experience similar health challenges, genetic predisposition becomes more apparent. These comparisons have advanced precision medicine, helping scientists design treatments tailored to genetic profiles. Additionally, twins have played a crucial role in vaccine research and the study of immune responses. Scientific facts about twins thus extend far beyond curiosity, influencing modern healthcare and deepening knowledge about how genes and environment interact to determine overall well-being. Rare cases of twin pregnancies sometimes challenge medical expectations in astonishing ways. Heteropaternal superfecundation occurs when fraternal twins have different biological fathers, a phenomenon made possible when a woman releases multiple eggs and has separate fertilization events within a short time frame. Although extremely uncommon, documented cases confirm that such events can occur naturally. Another rare occurrence involves superfetation, where a second pregnancy begins while a woman is already pregnant, resulting in twins conceived weeks apart. Though controversial and exceptionally rare in humans, isolated cases have been reported in medical literature. These unusual reproductive events expand scientific understanding of human fertility and demonstrate the extraordinary complexity of the reproductive system. Scientific facts about twins reveal that biology occasionally operates outside expected norms, producing outcomes that defy common assumptions and challenge even experienced medical professionals to reconsider what is possible in human development. Incredible coincidences surrounding twins often blur the line between science and mystery. Reports exist of identical twins experiencing similar life events at the same time, including illnesses or accidents occurring within hours of each other, despite living far apart. While there is no scientific evidence supporting telepathic connections, Researchers acknowledge that shared genetics can produce comparable physiological responses to stress or illness. Furthermore, twins raised in similar cultural contexts may face parallel social opportunities and challenges, increasing the likelihood of comparable life trajectories. Cognitive biases also influence how coincidences are perceived, as people tend to focus on striking similarities while overlooking differences. Nonetheless, the frequency of unusual parallels continues to intrigue psychologists and neuroscientists. Scientific facts about twins encourage rigorous examination of these claims, reminding us that extraordinary stories deserve both open-minded curiosity and critical analysis grounded in evidence. Twin language development provides another fascinating glimpse into human cognition. Some twins create private languages known as cryptophagia during early childhood, communicating through invented words and shared gestures. While not a fully structured language, this phenomenon demonstrates the close social bond twins often develop. Linguists and developmental psychologists study these cases to better understand language acquisition and social interaction. Although cryptophagia typically fades as children grow and interact with broader communities, it highlights the unique communication patterns twins can establish. Scientific facts about twins show that shared developmental environments, combined with intense emotional connection, can produce behaviors rarely seen in other sibling relationships. This special bond can influence identity formation, cooperation, and empathy, shaping how twins perceive themselves and each other throughout life. Cultural perspectives on twins have varied dramatically across history, influencing how societies interpret their significance. In some cultures, twins have been revered as symbols of divine blessing or supernatural power, while in others, they were once regarded with suspicion or fear. Anthropological research reveals that beliefs about twins often reflect broader societal values and spiritual traditions. For example, certain West African communities have historically celebrated twin births with elaborate rituals, emphasizing their sacred status. In contrast, historical records from other regions describe periods when twins were misunderstood due to limited scientific knowledge. Scientific facts about twins have gradually replaced superstition with biological explanation, yet cultural symbolism remains powerful in many parts of the world. These diverse interpretations remind us that the meaning assigned to twins extends beyond genetics into the realms of myth, tradition, and collective imagination. The psychological identity of twins presents complex challenges and opportunities. Growing up with someone who shares your appearance and often your social environment can shape self-perception in unique ways. Some twins embrace their shared identity, enjoying comparisons and coordinated experiences, while others strive for individuality to avoid being perceived as a single unit. Developmental psychologists note that parental treatment, schooling, and peer relationships influence how twins construct their sense of self. Scientific facts about twins suggest that healthy differentiation supports emotional well-being, allowing each twin to cultivate personal interests and goals. At the same time, the deep companionship many twins experience can foster resilience, trust, and lifelong emotional support. Balancing connection with independence becomes a central theme in twin development, illustrating the nuanced interplay between shared origins and personal growth. Advancements in genetic sequencing have expanded scientific facts about twins into new technological territory. Modern DNA analysis can detect subtle mutations that occur after the embryonic split, meaning identical twins may not be perfectly genetically identical at every cell. Somatic mutations arising during development can create slight biological differences, challenging earlier assumptions of complete genetic sameness. Researchers use these insights to refine forensic science, where distinguishing between identical twins once posed significant challenges. Additionally, twin studies continue to inform research on aging, cancer development, and neurological disorders. The precision of contemporary genomic tools has transformed twins into essential contributors to cutting-edge biomedical research. Their existence offers unparalleled opportunities to observe how life unfolds from nearly identical starting points under varying conditions. Rare cases of twin survival have also captured global attention, particularly when medical interventions enable outcomes once thought impossible. Advances in neonatal care have dramatically improved survival rates for premature twins, who historically faced high risks due to shared resources in the womb. Selective intrauterine growth restriction, condition affecting one twin more severely than the other, presents complex ethical and medical decisions requiring specialized expertise. Scientific facts about twins highlight the progress of modern obstetrics, where imaging technologies and surgical innovations can monitor and sometimes correct complications before birth. These achievements underscore the resilience of twin pregnancies and the dedication of medical professionals working to ensure healthy outcomes. What was once considered miraculous is now increasingly understood through scientific advancement. The study of twins has even influenced debates about free will and determinism. When identical twins raised apart make remarkably similar life choices, observers may question how much autonomy individuals truly possess. Yet differences between twins remind us that personal decisions, relationships, and random events shape each life uniquely. Scientific facts about twins suggest that genetics establish probabilities rather than certainties. Behavioral tendencies may incline individuals toward certain paths, but conscious choices and environmental contexts remain powerful forces. Twins illustrate both the strength of inherited traits and the flexibility of human agency, offering a living example of how biology and experience converge to create complex narratives. Ultimately, scientific facts about twins reveal a tapestry woven from biology, psychology, culture, and coincidence. Rare cases challenge scientific understanding. Twins separated at birth illuminate genetic influence, and incredible parallels spark curiosity about destiny and identity. Each discovery deepens appreciation for the intricate processes that generate human life. Twins stand as a testament to both predictability and unpredictability within nature, embodying the delicate balance between sameness and difference. Through research and storytelling alike, they continue to inspire questions about who we are and how we become ourselves. Scientific facts about twins remind us that human existence is both structured and mysterious, guided by genetic codes, yet shaped by countless unseen influences. Rare biological events, twins separated at birth, and extraordinary coincidences all reveal the profound complexity of identity. Twins challenge our assumptions about individuality, destiny, and the boundaries of science itself. As research continues to evolve, so too does our understanding of what it truly means to share a beginning, yet live distinct lives. Perhaps the greatest lesson twins offer is that similarity does not erase uniqueness, and shared origins do not limit personal growth. In studying twins, we ultimately study ourselves, discovering that every life, whether mirrored or singular, unfolds as a remarkable and unrepeatable story.